Meaning of headstand.
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 Headstand. A headstand is a yoga pose in which a person balances on their head while their hands support the back of their head. This pose is believed to have physical, mental, and spiritual benefits, including increased blood flow to the brain, improved posture, and a calmer mind. Practicing headstands regularly can also strengthen the arms, shoulders, and core muscles. However, it should be performed with caution and under the guidance of an experienced yoga teacher, as it can also lead to injury if done improperly. Overall, headstands are a challenging but rewarding addition to a yoga practice.